Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine and enjoying online classes. Students, today we are going to revise our 13th chapter, Internet. Okay. First thing, students, you know what is a network? A network is a group of interconnected computers to share information and resources. You can see these computers. These are connected with each other with the help of a network. Here they can share network and resources. Okay, they can share information, they can share resources. If you have any single printer for these 5 computers, they can share this printer. This can also give command to printer. This can give command to the printer. This can give, means these 5 computers can give command to the single printers. Means with the help of a network you can share the information and resources. Now next thing, what is internet? Internet stands for International Network. It is the worldwide collection of networks and gateways to communicate with each other throughout the world. You all are using mobile phone in these days and taking online classes. Okay. This is done by the help of internet. This is done by the help of internet. I communicate with you with the help of internet. The people that are living very far away from each other, they can also communicate with the help of this internet, because this is the worldwide collection of networks and gateways to communicate with each other. Okay, now you can understand network. Now next is history of internet. The US Department of Defense laid the foundation of internet in mid 60s. Okay, the US Department of Defense laid the foundation of internet in mid 60s. The first computer network was developed in USA. Where it is developed? In USA. It consists of only 4 computers located at 4 different places, but the general public started using the internet in early 90s. But the general people using this in early 90s. Now the whole world is being connected to the internet. Okay. Now the next thing is, which components are needed to connect with the help of internet? If you want to use the internet in computer, that time you want these things: a personal computer, a modem, an internet service provider, or you can say ISP. Next is a telephone line or cable connection. A telephone line or a cable connection. Internet software. Internet software. Now students, you know the components that you need. Now we will I will explain modem. A modem is a short form of modulator and demodulator. Modem, MOD, modem means modulator and demodulator. A modem is a device that enables a computer to connect and communicate with the other computer. It converts the digital data into analog data and transmit over the telephone or cable line. It also converts the analog data into digital data at the receiver end. Means it converts the signals digital data to analog and analog to digital. Okay. Next is Internet Service Provider or ISP. An Internet Service Provider or ISP is also called the Internet Access Provider, IAP, Internet Access Provider. An ISP company offers its consumers access to the internet at a charge. When you are using internet, you have charged for this network. Like that, an internet access provider takes charges to give internet connection. You are given a username and a password. Means the person that gives you the internet access, it gives you a name, username or a password. You have to feed these into the computer every time you connect it to the internet. Different ISPs offers different connection types and speeds. There are two basic types of connections, broadband and dial-up. Broadband and dial-up. Now, broadband. A broadband connection is a high-speed internet connection through broadband modem. With a broadband connection, you are connected to the internet at all time and can view web pages and downloaded files very rapidly. Means broadband is a connection, high-speed internet connection. A broadband is a high-speed connection through a broadband modem. Broadband modem. With a broadband connection, you are connected to the internet at all the times. Okay. You can download it, web page, etc. very rapidly. Next is dial-up. A dial-up connection uses a dial-up modem to connect your computer to the internet through a standard telephone line. Okay, now you can understand what is dial-up. Dial-up connection uses a dial-up modem to connect to the computer to the internet through a standard telephone line. Many computers come with the dial-up modem already installed. Okay, many computers are come with a dial-up modem already installed in them. Okay. Telephone or cable connection. A telephone connection or a cable connection is required to establish an internet connection. The computer is connected to a modem, which in turn is connected to a telephone line or a cable. You can also make a wireless connection through a wireless router or wireless network. Students, you know you are using internet in your mobile phone, but there is no wire connected in your mobile phone. Then how they are connected? They are connected wirelessly. So wireless routers or wireless networks are needed to connect wireless. Okay. In some houses you can see a telephone connection or cable connection to connect with the help of network, and in some houses you can see wireless network connection. Okay. Internet software. To send emails and browse the World Wide Web, you need special software like a browser and an email client. Now you know internet software. To send email or browse the World Wide Web, you need special software like a browser and an email client. Okay, students, our next topic is www. We will discuss it in next class. Okay, because tomorrow is your exam, so that much is enough for today. Bye bye and take care.